Today we'll discuss the lesson 3 of the module, that is business model design. Let me introduce myself. I am Arun Satyan. I'm the CEO of this venture, and also I am an alumnus of IIT Madras. What I focus is transforming your signatures to an autographs. I believe everyone has got a lot of skills that is unlocked inside of them. Most of them are so tough to crack, but once cracked, they will achieve success and great transformations in their life. So let's go on with our lesson. First of all, I will discuss with you what is a business model canvas. Many of you have many business ideas. Many of you have started some business. Many of you have started business but failed miserably. Many of you might be thinking of doing something but don't have an idea. So first of all, for every businesses or starters, we should have a canvas in front of us. It can be in notes, it can be on board, whiteboard, or anything. Before that, there are few factors that we should know before we start a business. This is first one is key partnership. The second one is key activities. What are the activities that are involved in our business? Then comes key resources. What all resources are required for us, our business to start? Value proposition. What is the value that we are proposing to the customer? And which is so different from the competitors, maybe indirect or direct, entirely different from what they think. How we are going to build the customer relationship? What are the channels that we should have so that our products and services are delivered to the customer? What are the customer segments? What is the cost structure? It means what is the pricing of our product or the revenue or the cost incurred in the product. What are the revenue streams? What are the way of getting money or tapping money from the customer by providing the product or service? I will move on to a mind map module where you can understand it better. You have seen what is a business model canvas. Now I will explain you with an example. Right now here we will discuss about a physiotherapy clinic. So I have already designed this mind mapping. Here you can see first point, which is key partnership. For a physiotherapy clinic, we have to partner with home care companies. We have to partner with hospitals. We have to partner with apartments. We have to partner with the schools and colleges for getting wider reach to our customers. Then comes the key activities. Here, key activities means what we are doing in our business so that customers are happy. So physiotherapy consultation at the clinic, home visit, video consultation. So the customer, these activities will improve the customer satisfaction. Then comes the key resources. Our resources are basically physiotherapists are required, HRs, clinic, equipments, etc. You can always modify these according to your business model. Then comes the customer relationship. We need on-call customer support. Events should be conducted. Online courses on improving physiotherapy. Master class by well-known doctors on physiotherapy. These all will improve our customer relationship. Then comes the customer segment. So we have multiple customer segment for this. Elderly people, women, maybe after prenatal or postnatal care, child care, post-surgery patients, IT employees, sports college students, etc., etc. Then comes the revenue channel. The revenue channel, like collect by service cost. We home visit will be there, subscription will be there, monthly. It means it will create an annual recurring revenue. Then we can add on mental wellness care, nutritional care, home care, etc. Then what are the channels? Corporates, hospitals, digital marketing, influencers, seminars, sports colleges. Through all these channels, we can directly reach out to the customer. Then the cost structure, we can start with 129 rupees per consultation. This can be for on demand, also for the off subscription packages also we can create. So right, this way you have to create your own business model canvas. Now going to the next slide, that is types of business models. So I am here discussing 4 business model. The first one is subscription model. Here the customer pays regular intervals. Let's say month by month on month, the customer pays for the service and we can create an annual recurring revenue as well as the customer retention is maintained. Then comes the freemium model. Freemium model means like the basic packages will be free of cost, but the extra or advanced features we can give it for a price. Then comes the direct sales model. Here what we do is like we'll have a website, we'll have direct sales. Customer can come and buy the service or the product and direct sales will happen. Then comes the franchise model. The franchise model means anyone who wants to create a platform like ours, they can buy the entire model and they can start on their own and they will pay a amount that is defined by your company. KFC, McDonald's, all these are franchise models. Now coming to the next slide. How to choose a right business model? First of all, there are 3 things we should understand. Our business goals and values should be aligned with our business model. The second one is our market analysis and customer understanding should be reflected in the canvas. And the third is the major one, that is it should be scalable and flexible. We have to change our business model every day based on the iteration from the customer feedbacks and everything. So it should be flexible to be adapted. Then adapting your business model. This is where we can see major tech companies like Netflix, Adobe, Nokia. All these people have changed their business model. Some have succeeded, some have failed. If you check Netflix, it was a DVD company, later transformed to the online streaming platform. And it's now a billion-dollar company. Coming to the Adobe, it also transformed their business model to multiple variants in the design sector. If you see Nokia, when Android came into the picture, Nokia did not transform their technology and they did not adapt their business model. Here, they thought of retaining the customer, but what happened was everyone suddenly moved out of Nokia and went to the other competitors. So thank you and have a nice day. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content related things on entrepreneurship. Once we complete this module, you can see the entire transformation that will happen to you as well. Why I am doing is this because many of our youngsters dreams of becoming a CEO or starting their own company or becoming an entrepreneur. But what happens is because of the peer pressure, society, and everything, they are gradually restrained from doing this and achieve their goals. Here, we'll be creating our own community for aspiring CEOs and we will be discussing the doubts. Also, we'll be sharing help to each one of us so that we can create better teams inside us and create better products or services